I am leaving Czech Republic. I've had enough. I'm making my way from Český Těšín into Poland, now crossing the border, which is this bridge. Flowing underneath me is the river Olza, which divides this town into two countries. I'm now going to cross River Olza. It's quite a grey day today, not really a blue sky, but I wonder if there's any hot chicks out in Poland. Let's find out. Look at these key padlocks on the bridge. I've seen them on my way. Česká Republika, and I have not got a clue what that says. Rzeczpospolita Polska. Right, and that's the border. Whoa, hottie in Poland.
Hello.
Hello. What are you doing today?
Just nothing, just hanging around. What about you? What are you doing today?
Well, I just left Czech Republic and I'm looking to find a beautiful young lady. I'm wondering,
Have you found her already?
would you like to come with me?
Yes, I would.
Oh, that's great. Let's go.
Let's go.
And that's how you find a beautiful lady when you leave the next country and go somewhere else. So this is the border, literally. So any immigrants want to come through, that's how easy it is. I'm now in Polska. Olza. I'm only joking, immigrants, don't come here. There's police on the other side.
Yeah, they're patrolling.
Yeah, they're patrolling. Okay, I've now just taken the beautiful lady I met on the border. We're going into Cieszyn.
So here is the Cieszyn town center, right?
Yep. And there's Cieszyn Castle.
So look, there is one more bridge, a border.
Yeah, there's another border in that direction. Let's have a look at what they have. They have a bakery there.
Okay.
There's a Polish flag. Aha! Wow, interesting, yeah.
We go pączki.
Pączki? Yeah, let's go for it. Polish sweets, would you like?
Yeah.
I'll treat you to Polish sweets, my darling. Order, go for
Do
it.
they speak English, you think?
Wow, these look interesting.
Dzień dobry.
Right.
Orea.
You speak English?
Just a little.
Just a little, great. Do you have anything traditional, Polish?
This is traditional. Krówka.
Yes.
Okay, which one do you want? What flavor?
Blueberry. Yeah, I'll go for blueberry. That one, please.
No.
Yes, please. Yep. What would you like to get?
Oh, wow.
All right, so I'm trying traditional Polish sweets today in Cieszyn.
I'm gonna get... Ooh, I don't know. You have so many nice, I don't know which one to choose.
Oh, that one looks really nice. There
That
with
one, the back one.
big,
Nothing inside.
Nothing inside.
big, like crunchy bits on the top.
I think I will try it, even though... No, but what is the inside of this? Cream?
Nothing.
Nothing. It's just the top.
What one did I get? Marmolada,
Yeah, I'm gonna get with the
weiloowocowa.
chocolate. Yeah, I'm gonna get the chocolate.
I think I said it right.
Yeah, I'm gonna get that one.
Hello.
Hello.
Where are you from?
Hi,
Where are you from?
I'm from England.
From England.
Yes,
That's good.
I'm
You
from
spend
Czech.
holiday here or what?
we are travelers.
Travelers.
Yes, I have a channel. I've been
Ah, you have a
traveling.
channel on YouTube.
Yes, I've been traveling in Hungary, Czech Republic, Slovakia, Poland,
Oh, that's great.
around Europe.
Oh,
Trying the traditional food and cuisines and like
So-
bakeries, so I'm in the right place now.
we have the best donut in Poland.
You have the
Ah,
best
yes,
donuts,
the best,
right?
the best,
I went
absolutely.
for the Marmolada.
Marmolada, yeah, this is the most traditional, yeah, because
Okay.
the second is rose, but we don't have rose right now.
Okay.
It's finished, yeah. But
Great.
Marmolada weiloowocowa is so similar like
Super.
super. Yeah, that's great.
Great.
What do you have?
Andre Traveler.
Yeah.
I'm gonna write it.
Yep, yep, yep.
I'm gonna write it.
All right, awesome. Can I try one more then, please?
Oh.
Yeah, great. All right, something, maybe, let's go. It's called
Andrzej.
Pączki something.
Instagram and
I will
TikTok
check.
as
I will
well.
check it. Okay. So
Yeah.
here we have marmalade, and you want
I want with the
Pączki,
chocolate.
please.
with one with chocolate. This is donut only chocolate.
Okay.
And here we have Orea.
Which one
Lion.
should I try?
Here's Orea.
Yeah, I'll try this one. This looks delicious.
And I want the
Yes.
lion.
Orea and
Yeah,
lion.
please.
Yes.
Yeah. That looks delicious, right?
Are you excited for the Polish
Was
season?
excited. I just crossed the border from Czech Republic.
Okay, here we have Orea and lion.
Yes, please. Wow, that
They
looks
look
amazing.
outstanding as well. They look really cool.
Okay, you want something more? And you know, we have this donut is fit, not fat, fit. Yeah, you know.
Right.
You want something more?
That is not enough.
Okay.
Yeah.
Dwa donaty.
Coś jeszcze?
No i ten marmolada, nie?
Great. Traditional bakery, it seems like.
Started raining again. Yeah.
Okay, 16 and 50, please.
Yep.
Let's give.
Gift.
Thank
Gift.
you.
Thank you very much. Dziękuję.
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 Dziękuję. Aha, dziękuję.
See you.
Dziękuję.
Bye. Have a good day. Bye. So this is what we got. Really good, this one? Yeah, good. Oh, awesome. Right, so this is what we got. And he just said it's really nice. He did?
You ready to try it?
Yeah. Mmm. Mmm. Wow, this is really nice. So much flavors. What do you think? It's quite sweet, right?
It's very sweet.
Yeah.
They said it's not fat, it's sweet, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah.
We have Oreo.
Mmm. Mmm. I like your one. These are really delicious. It's got
Wow.
like a crunchy coating on the top.
This is definitely
Chocolate,
sweet too.
really nice. It's like, really, if you're craving something, this is if these were open in the evening as well, late night, phew, that would be nice, innit, when you're craving a sweet snack.
When you have the munchies.
When you have the munchies, yeah. Mmm. Delicious.
Oh, looks amazing.
Right, it's time to try this one now. What I got from this shop. Right, this one, yeah, this one is this one looks like a yum yum. Ha, you know, like in Greg's.
From Greg's.
Aha, my bakery is what I used to go in the morning in Greg's. Oh, miss Greg's. Anyway, it looks like a yum yum. Mmm.
What do you think? Better than Yum Yum?
Exactly the same, but this coating just tastes so sweet and nice, so much flavor, and I can see there's a topping inside.
I remember she was putting some coating on it.
Mmm.
What?
Wow, try that. Mmm. That is the nicest jam that I have tasted. Try it.
Nicest jam.
Yeah.
Wow.
What do you think of that jam?
It's very rich. He was right when he said the best in Poland.
Yeah.
The best donuts in Poland.
Best donuts in Poland. Best bakery. Mmm. Wow.
And she put like some coating. I saw her how she was pouring
Really nice.
some sugary coating. And you can see this is like the busiest shop here.
Yeah, it's getting really busy now. All right, it's really wet and raining. Oh my. Oh, crap weather today.
Do you feel like you are back in London?
Let's run.
Oh, here is nice.
You want to eat here?
Yeah. How about here?
Right. Yeah.
So, we
Great.
got the nicest Polish sweets.
Nicest
Pączki.
Polish sweets. What did we get?
We got the nicest Polish sweets, but
He
we have
gave
to
us this
try.
for a gift. All right. What did we get for a gift? A Polish gift. So this is how it looks. So would you like to try one
Oh
as well?
wow. That looks like a fried dumpling.
Aha.
Jamaican
Looks like a
style.
fried dumpling, it does. And it smells like one
Maybe
as well.
raining.
Yeah. Yeah, so what is this building? Nothing. Dodgy.
The water went behind my.
Hey, do you know what? So, aha. Someone lives here. Right. What are you doing? It's not so raining anymore. We can move on, yeah? Right, time to try it. The Polish bakery, from the Polish bakery. So they're like round balls and they look like fried dumpling.
That was the gift, right?
Yeah, this is the Polish gift. And already since we've left Czech Republic, we've been given gifts here in Poland. People are nice here. So this looks like a fried dumpling, which they have in Jamaica. So I'm gonna taste it now.
Yeah, man, we I think.
Very fluffy. I can taste like the cinnamon, the sugar. It tastes really nice. It's similar to Jamaican fried dumpling actually.
It tastes like festival.
Yeah, that's the name, festival.
It's like a Jamaican festival. We Jamaicans call it festival.
Yes, that absolutely.
So it's like a flour with milk and a little bit of cinnamon and bolina
Yep.
and fried. And Jamaican people eat it like with ackee and sawfish, with kalaloo.
Right, that was delicious. You dab in, yeah? They also have a coffee kafana here. They have another Paczkarnia across the road. They have 3 along this strip.
Sun is starting coming out.
Yeah, the sun is starting to come out.
If it wouldn't be so rainy, it would be easier to taste the sweets anywhere, right?
Yeah. Here's a church in Cieszyn, Poland. So we are now in Cieszyn at the main square, but there's some construction going on here in the middle.
So we cannot see.
Yeah,
much
let's have a
here.
walk through the underneath of the square. They have some, it's like a coffee shop. So these are the shops that they have
Streets
in
here.
Europe, Poland. Yeah, it looks like a posh Polish wine shop.
Oh look, they have some saxophone player here.
Oh, there's a black man. That's the only black man I've seen in Poland today, apart from me. Right, and here we are. You got a Burger Brothers across the road. Yeah, and that's that really.
Yeah.
Really. Hi man. Have a good day, man. And that's how people come and say friendly things. And here's the lovely lady that I found on the border.
Oh, hello.
How's your time been so far traveling in Poland with me?
It was a great experience. Thank you for taking me with you.
Interesting.
Give thanks.
Would you rate that bakery?
Number 1.
Number
Sweet
1.
sweet.
Nice.
And this is
All right, let's get a drink. Let's go. Pick up a drink for us.
like the homeless in Fortitude. Yeah? You want me to be like the homeless in Fortitude, yeah?
Let's get some drink. Polski sklep.
The Nosa.
Ooh,
Just
I think I'll get this beer.
You haven't had one before.
I haven't had that one before. That beer. How about you? Tiski, Lech, Zuber, Worker.
And that is nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna go with Cieszyn beer maybe.
You going to get Cieszyn's local beer?
Nosa, was it good, the Nosa?
Yes, it was good.
This is like some invisible fridge. I don't know which side I'm sure.
Let's get your dad a beer as well. Let's get him one of these. Yeah. What do you think? This one or
Harnash? Harnash.
Tatra?
Give him the same one. But
Yeah, let's get him one.
Pomagaj i wygrawaj.
Buying a Czech man Polish beer. Right. Polish shop.
Prosím vás, prodáváte blunt. Blunt? Papírek takový, to je takový papírek ovocný. Blunt, neslyším. Ovocný papírek. Jako jak je třeba OCB. Ukažte.
Aha.
Is that it?
Uh-huh.
Good
Yeah,
morning.
that's it.
That's it.
Yeah.
Tylko tak.
Yeah.
Strawberry kiwi, original albo lemoniada.
Všechno. Všechno. All right.
Tak, 4,50. Złotówki? Tutaj złotówki, a tutaj...
Dziękuję. Do widzenia?
Do widzenia.
Do widzenia. Do widzenia. Do widzenia. That's how is it.
Right, got some blunts. Finally, blunts in Poland. I've been searching in Czech Republic, bloody hell, for so long, and they don't have blunts.
I knew they're gonna have it.
And they have them in Poland.
I just knew them looking at the shop.
Right, so we got some blunts and we got some Polish beer. All right, cool trip. And we got some Polish gift. Right.
Do widzenia.
Do widzenia.